Water is just a beautiful blue color. Wow, there's a great shot of the clouds moving in over the Black Fork Mountains. It's a beautiful sunny morning. I've got 3/4 of a tank of gas, full thermos of coffee, and a Forest Service road in front of me. Gonna explore Forest Road 894 today, and I'm gonna take you along and show you what I find. Kind of windy this morning. Hey, I just kind of off 894, a little trail that is an offshoot, and there's a pretty nice secluded campsite down here with a small creek. If you do take the Forest Road 894 ride, make sure you take the side trip up Mitchell Ridge. There's beautiful view of the Black Fork Mountains as you climb the ridge and get elevation. The timber's thinned out, and it just allows for some really beautiful views. So if you come, it's pretty easy drive. Any two-wheel drive vehicle with decent ground clearance can make it. There are some ruts that you have to negotiate and a little bit of mud, so if it's really wet you might want to avoid it. But Mitchell Ridge is definitely worth the side trip. Looks like this is the end of the road for me on this trail. Looks like somebody's made a bypass around it, but I'm gonna turn around and head back the way I came. I'm by myself. I don't want to get in over my head. Plus the wind's blowing pretty good. I may run into some more of these blowdowns. So I'm gonna turn around and head back down. But this has been a very, very pretty drive. Made it to the top of Atop Mountain, and now I've turned around and I'm doubling back. This 894 is a dead-end road. It's not a through road, so you'll have to double back. A couple things to note: the section from the Oklahoma state line to the top of Atop Mountain, the road bed is fine. There are some rutted places where the road's washed out that you'll have to negotiate, but they're really not bad. One thing that is bad is the brush is overgrown into the trail, so you can expect some pretty severe pinstriping from the Oklahoma state line to the top of Atop Mountain. It is remote. It's really not close to anything, but there are dispersed campsites along the way, so you could camp and explore the next day. It's very pretty, but it is remote. I have not seen a single person in the 2 days that I've been out here, which I like. So be prepared to be self-reliant. Have all your recovery gear, some tools to work on your rig if you have trouble, a spare tire, a puncture kit. Just be able to get yourself back out of here, because it's a pretty long walk from one end to the other. There is cell service, but it is spotty. You may be able to get to the top of the mountain and get cell service to call for help, but I wouldn't depend on that. quick sandwich before I head home. I think Forest Road 894 is worth checking out if you're ever in the Mena area. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching.